Imagine a village in rural India, where the lights flicker and go out every night as families sit down for dinner. This is the reality for many in our country, where 85% of households face a power crisis almost every day. Of these, 37% experience power cuts lasting 2 to 8 hours daily. As a result, per capita electricity consumption in our country is much lower than the world average. As India's GDP grows at a rapid pace, the nation's electricity demand is expected to double by 2040. This surge will be driven by the expansion of industrial sectors and the growing trend toward digitalization. Additionally, rising temperatures and the increased use of air conditioning further contribute to the rising energy demand. This is where our innovation comes in with a solution. Our breakthrough innovation harnesses the power of water to generate clean and affordable electricity. We entrap the energy stored in water molecules with our nanotechnological innovation and generate electricity and green hydrogen from water molecules. We focus on hydrovoltaic module manufacturing with a vision to provide high-quality, cost-effective and 24/7 electricity generating device across the markets. Our closed-loop system facilitates minimal and sustainable use of water for generating electricity. Aligned with UN Sustainable Development Goal 7, affordable and clean energy, our solution is adaptable, scalable, and eco-friendly. It is compatible with both on-grid and off-grid systems. We promote sustainable land use and protect biodiversity just by utilizing innovative technology with vertical stacking of the system and utilizing wastewater bodies for energy production. It is also resilient to normal weather fluctuations, except in severe conditions like floods or earthquakes. This breakthrough has the potential to significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions and carbon footprints, particularly in energy-intensive sectors. Our device can be installed in various settings, including primary healthcare centers, schools, office buildings, factories, agricultural fields, and even in forested areas where solar energy is not viable due to dense vegetation or frequent rainfall. With your support, we aim to deploy pilot projects to standardize and optimize our solution. This will enable rapid implementation and scale up to meet the needs of a growing energy market. Together, we can address this energy crisis while contributing to a greener, more sustainable future. The future of energy is here. Let's harness it with Eledrogen, 1 watt at a time.